Sure thing. Here's a simple recipe for roasted sweet potatoes in an air fryer. Ingredients: 2 large sweet potatoes, peeled and cut into cubes. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Optional, chopped fresh herbs, such as parsley or rosemary, for garnish. Instructions: preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for a few minutes. In a mixing bowl, combine the sweet potato cubes with olive oil, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and black pepper. Toss until the sweet potatoes are evenly coated with the seasoning. Place the seasoned sweet potatoes in the air fryer basket in a single layer. If necessary, cook in batches to avoid overcrowding. Cook the sweet potatoes in the air fryer for 15–20 minutes, shaking the basket or flipping the sweet potatoes halfway through the cooking time. Cooking time may vary depending on the size of your sweet potato cubes and the air fryer model. Check for doneness by piercing the sweet potatoes with a fork. They should be tender on the inside and crispy on the outside. Once done, remove the roasted sweet potatoes from the air fryer and garnish with chopped fresh herbs if desired. Serve hot and enjoy your crispy roasted sweet potatoes. Feel free to adjust the seasoning according to your taste preferences. This recipe is quite versatile, so you can experiment with different herbs and spices to customize the flavor.